Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you curry leaves mutton sukka. Karvapula mutton sukka is what we call it in Tamil. So we'll start with the recipe. Here I've got ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, meat masala from Everest and mutton. Mutton is washed and drained in a colander and reserved. Now I've heated a pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker I've added oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I've added the mutton, followed by ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, meat masala, coriander powder and salt. We'll fry the mutton for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw flavor has reduced and the mutton starts to release a lot of moisture. So now we'll keep stirring this and frying it. Once the mutton cooks, it will reduce a lot. So the quantity looks more, but once it cooks, it will reduce a lot. So now I'll add hot water and we'll cover the pressure cooker, place the whistle. I cooked this for 7 whistles because it took that much time on high flame. So once the meat has cooked, if there is excess moisture, you can drain that and use this broth for soup. And you have to reduce the entire broth in the meat. So that's what I did. Once the meat was nice and tender, I removed all that broth for soup, and the excess broth I was reducing it. So once the broth has completely reduced, I've transferred it to a box and I placed it in the fridge. Next day only I prepared it. So here I've laid out all the spices for the recipe. The meat is ready. I've crushed some garlic. We need some curry leaves, slit green chilies for the masala. Now all the spices used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. I've heated a pan along with some ghee and oil. Now I've added the whole spices. I've fried it for few seconds on very low flame. Then I've added the curry leaves. We need to fry all of this on low flame. Don't fry it on high flame. Especially peppercorns. If you fry it on high flame and if it's burnt, it will give you a bitter taste in the masala. So fry everything on low flame. And once this masala has fried well, this is the main masala that gives the taste. Remove this and add it to a mixer jar. Allow it to cool down. We'll start preparing the masala. So while your meat is cooking itself, you have to prep up all these ingredients and reserve it. This is very nice. You can prepare vegetarian dish using this masala or non-vegetarian. Now here you can see I've heated ghee and oil again. I've added crushed garlic, slit green chilies and curry leaves. I'm going to fry this. And the masala has cooled down. So I'll grind it into a smooth powder and I've reserved it. Now I've added the cooked meat to the pan and I've started to fry it. Just keep stirring it and frying it. So you can see the meat has cooked well and it is starting to fry. At this point I'll add the masala that I prepared and also check for salt and add salt. So I've added salt and I just kept stirring this and frying it. So from here it's very easy. If needed, you can add extra slit green chilies as per your preference. I like it spicy. So now I just kept stirring this and the curry leaves mutton sukka or the mutton fry is ready. It pairs well with any dish, especially with South Indian dishes. So try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.